Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to whip cream and egg whites with the butterfly whisk. Butterfly whisk comes included and you can use it to whip cream and egg whites. You can either do it manually by manually setting the parameters, or use a recipe. There definitely is a recipe for both egg whites as well as the whipped cream. So let's search for egg whites. I did not. Okay, yeah, there are whisked egg whites. So you could use that or manually set the values. Now, what is important about the manually set values is that you cannot exceed the fourth level of speed right here. You can set it up to the 4th level, otherwise it may destroy the butterfly whisk. Now I'll show you how to install the butterfly whisk. So let me just take you here. Now this is the butterfly whisk, and you can install it by attaching it on top of the blades like that. And now you can put some cream or egg whites in there and start mixing, of course, with the lid and measuring cup on. Now after it's done, remember, never more than 4th level of speed. Then you can take it out. Taking it out after after using may require a bit more force. Don't be scared to just pull it up a bit harder. Yeah, that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.